A brief moment during a concert in Irving, and it's all caught on video, and it's now triggered a lot of outrage and a lot of shaming on social media. Here's CBS 11's J.D. Miles to pick up the story.
What are you doing?
A concert goer walked all the way to the singer's microphone.
All right, cool. You could do that from like 7 feet away. That'd be cool.
To make a song request during Clayton Gardner's performance on Friday night.
Are you for real right now? Hey, please get away from me. Please.
Okay.
Hey, Alan, we get her out here, man?
Gardner clearly didn't appreciate the close encounter with the unidentified woman, who wasn't wearing a face mask and even appeared to mock his concern by getting even closer.
It is my right to take that virus serious.
The singer posted later on social media that his stern reaction was out of concern for the health of his young daughter.
And if there's a 1% chance that that virus is going to take somebody that I love, those aren't odds that I'm willing to play with.
Gardner, who did not respond to our interview request, also said in his video on Facebook that the unidentified woman has since reached out to him and apologized.
She made a mistake, and we've all made mistakes, and I think that it's okay to show her a little grace and forgiveness.
Thousands of people have reacted to the video, mostly supporting the musician, saying this was unacceptable without a virus, and that's horrifying behavior, pandemic or not. Gardner says there were about 30 to 50 people in the audience here on Friday night, and no one seemed to know how to handle the situation, including himself. Gardner says for the next few days he's isolating from his daughter after experiencing something he hopes performers everywhere can learn from and prepare for.
I hope I don't get sick. I'm going to stay away from my daughter for a few days just to be safe, but I'm going to choose the high road here and forgive and forget.
In Irving, J.D. Miles, CBS 11 News.